2, 3 और 12 का एलसीएम हो गया 12. So multiply each term by 12. So 12 by 2 into x plus 1 plus 12 by 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 12 into 5 by 12 into x minus 2. 12 12 cancel हो गया. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So now 6x, we'll open the brackets, get 6x plus 6 plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 5x minus 10. So for 6x plus 4x is 10x. 6 minus 4 is plus 2. This is equal to 5x minus 10. So we'll take x, 5x to LHS and 2 to RHS. So 10x minus 5x is equal to minus 10 minus 2. So 5x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12 by 5. Now substituting this value of x in the equation again, we can check our answer. LHS is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into x minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2, x is minus 12 by 5 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into minus 12 by 5 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we'll take LCM. So this will give you minus 12 plus 5 upon 5 plus 1 by 3 into minus 12 minus 5 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into minus 17 by 5. This is equal to minus 7 by 10 plus into minus is minus 17 by 15. Now LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So we'll multiply and divide this term by 3 and this term by 2. So minus 21 by 30 minus 34 by 30. This is equal to minus 21 minus 34 will give you minus 55 by 30. Reducing it by 5 will get minus 11 by 6. Okay, now we'll take RHS. This is equal to 5 by 12 minus 12 by 5 minus 2. We'll take LCM. So this will give us 5 by 12 minus 12 by 5 minus 10 by 5. This is equal to 5 into 5 by 12 into minus 22 by 5. 5 will cancel and 2 6 are 12 and 2 11s are 22. This is equal to minus 11 by 6. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. So our solution is correct.